In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pretty link that redirects to a different link or different page without paying for expensive software. The problem I want to solve is very simple. I want to be able to share an affiliate link to, for example, Kajabi for a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 40-day free trial available on their website because I'm an affiliate. When I'm talking to someone on Messenger or on Zoom or during a webinar. Another problem I want to solve is if I have an old URL on my website for a blog, but the name has changed for search engine optimization reasons or something like that, but I still want that page to redirect to the new blog name in case people land on the old URL. Because sometimes you paste this old URL on YouTube or on some other blog or on social media, and you don't want that link to be broken. Step one is to create a new page. Now I'm doing it on WordPress. You can actually do it on any website. It can be on Kajabi, it can be on New Zenler, it can be on Wix. It really doesn't matter. Any website that lets you embed an HTML code will work just fine. So in this case, I'm going to label the page Kajabi. And when I'm going to add a block, I'm going to click on the plus button, click on custom HTML, and then on the custom HTML, what you need to do, you need to grab this code, and I will leave the code somewhere for you to grab as well, depending where you're watching this. You grab this code, copy it, and then paste it right here. Now you want to go to the Kajabi link. In this case, I'm sending them to this Kajabi URL, and go here. You see how it says URL for equal https://www.google. Just replace like this, and then again take this link and go to this link right here and replace it with the correct link you want to send people to. Now you're going to hit on publish and grab the link by going to Chrome Incognito and typing in aranbukai.com/Kajabi. And watch what happens. At first you see my website, and now it redirects straight to the Kajabi affiliate link exactly how I want it to be done. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment as well to let me know that you have downloaded the code, which I will include in the description. There'll be a link there. It will take you to a page, and then you can grab the code and use that code when you're following the steps that I've just shown in your business to either promote your affiliate program or promote some affiliate link or fix some broken links on your website or anything like that. I'd love to know what use cases you might have found for this exact little hack or this little tool, because I want to see how creative people get with using this particular code. So let me know how that went. Definitely leave a comment below, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video.